Hi everyone, I'm Patty Dykstra with Coldwell Banker Realty and I welcome you to my latest listing at Harbor Place in Safety Harbor, Florida. When only the finest will do, this newer Safety Harbor, Florida waterfront condo at Harbor Place checks all the boxes. This rarely available floor plan includes 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and includes a sought-after study that makes all the difference for those who work from home or need overflow guest accommodations. Located on the 5th floor, you'll enjoy sweeping panoramic views of Tampa Bay. You will anticipate the gorgeous sunrises each morning from your private balcony. And on the 4th of July, you'll have the best seat in the house for viewing the spectacular Safety Harbor fireworks. This luxury unit maximizes space and features upgrades such as new high-end bamboo flooring, Hunter Douglas plantation shutters and remote-controlled shears, upgraded quartz countertops, tray ceilings trimmed with crown molding, inside laundry, pantry, and walk-in closets. The spacious owner suite features an ensuite bathroom, a separate water closet, dual sink, vanities, a separate shower, and a garden tub to melt away the stress of the day. The integrated kitchen, dining room, living room offers quartz countertops covering the kitchen's soft-close white shaker-style cabinetry, providing a light and bright workspace. Harbor Place is ideally located in the bustling center of Safety Harbor, just 1 block from Main Street, which is lined with numerous shops and dining options. It is directly opposite of the world-renowned Safety Harbor Resort and Spa, close to the marina and pier and the Ream-Wilson Trail. This is a dream location, making it easy to reach nearly everything in Tampa Bay: 2 international airports, beaches, entertainment venues, shopping. Embrace a lifestyle of comfort and convenience in this idyllic waterfront setting. More than just a home, it's a gateway to a vibrant, luxurious lifestyle. Thank you for checking out this beautiful condo with me today. We'll see you at the next property.